Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of unboxing the new product, I am here with the printer brother MFC-L3750CDW, which is a multi-function laser color printer which can copy, scan, print and fax either through the wired mode or through the smart devices through wirelessly. So it can play through the mobile phone, iPad or other smart devices. Let's see what's inside the box and how does it works, and I will also show you how to set up. So finally here is the printer. It has the toner inside, and this is the booklet with the power cable, and this is the reference guide, and this is the cable for fax plus the telephone point. So this is the quick setup guide. As you can see, this is the printers with the keys for the manual, and this is the screen for the instructions. It's a touch screen, and this is the tray for scanning, and for either you can put it under this tray, and this is the tray for the paper. And then if you have to use one letterhead or something, then this is the tray for that. And if you open up that, you can see the toner insides. So as you can see, it uses 4 toner, which is a yellow, magenta, blue and black. So the toners are a bit costly, but it is suitable for a small office. So that is how it is. So on the side is this is for the cooling machine. On the back is this phone point for fax and any extension if you have to use it. And this is the for Ethernet cable if you have to scan through the Ethernet, it is also possible. And then this is the point for the power. So on the front is a output tray where you get the printed copy, and on the left is you can see the USB point where you can scan directly. So now in this tray I have to load with the A4 size paper sheet and then break the seal for the toners so that it could work properly. So to avoid any confusion, yellow will go with the yellow, so you have to be careful that these are 2 points are matching. And same way, this is the magenta and this is the blue, and the last one is the black toner. So we have to remove these seals and then put the toner inside. So don't take all out in one go, just take one at a time and then replace them. You have to turn this lock inside, and the same way the other lock is this side here, the yellow one. You have to turn that insides and then you have to pull it from here, so just like that. Now you have to remove this seal. So like this seal is removed now. So now remove the other one also the same way. I have to push this seal like inside. I will show you like this. Same way here, just put inside, and now it is, you can pull that simply. Okay, and the same way here, just press towards right like this, and here press like this. So now you have to pull that. This is my third toner, and now this is the last one, which is black toner. So I have to push this, and on the other side I have to push towards right, and I can take out. So this is all taken out. So now this is the packing. You can remove that. So to avoid any confusion, I have keep those toner in the same very order: yellow, magenta, blue and black, and I will put up in the same very order. See, now I have put up back after removing the seal, the black and the blue. So now I will be putting the other one, which is a magenta color. So it will go like this, and now the last one is left, which is a yellow color, which will go like that. So all these are now inside, so as you can see. But I will let you know, these toners are the sample toners, so they can print around 250 pages, not the full toner. So it is better to keep some separate toner, so that if you are out of toners and you need to print, then you can quickly get it replaced. Because if one toner is finished, the whole machine doesn't work. So now you have to close that. So this is done, so you can close this tray. Papers are already loaded, so machine is ready to go. Let's set up. So the PowerPoint is already attached, so now we can set up the machine. So just turn on this power button. So this is done. So click OK, and saying updates is saying that so you need to say yes. See, this is the menu, which is quite simple. See, you can move from the left and right side, see, like this. So as you can see on the bottom right side, it is showing the status of the toner. All the 4 toners are full, so it is okay. And this is that if there is any issue, any problem, so Wi-Fi, so you can click the Wi-Fi and you can set up the Wi-Fi now. So now it is giving me what all the Wi-Fi's are available. So I have to select the one which is my Wi-Fi. So then after that you have to put up the password for that Wi-Fi. So now it is connecting to the Wi-Fi. See, connected. So I got that status. So I have to press OK. See, now you can see the Wi-Fi status. It is showing that it is connected now with the Wi-Fi. See, now I will show you how you can directly scan to your USB. So I have this USB drive. Just you have to put up this USB drive in this slot. So my slot is here. So as you can see, so it is saying that scan to USB, or you can use the USB for the printing also. So I have to put up the scan paper here on the top shelf. So now it is done. So as you can see that, so I have to just select scan to USB and then click start. So that is done. So scanning, and that's it. So it is all done. So to use the printer through the smart devices like iPad or Android devices, you have to scan this code, and then you can use straight away from your mobile or iPad or any other device. So this is machine is very cool. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.